Now, today we will see what is meant by a web browser. Now, you all are aware of web browser. As with the help of web browser, you can open any website, right? And nowadays, due to this lockdown, you all are familiar with the website word, web browser, different types of web browsers are available, right? So let us see what is a web browser. So a browser is a computer program. And what is the purpose of that? It is used for accessing websites or information on a network on the World Wide Web. www means World Wide Web. So what is web browser? It is nothing but it is a computer program, and it is going to help you to access the websites or information on a network or on the World Wide Web. This helps us to view web pages on the internet that contain hypertext document. Hypertext means what? There will be a text. When you click on that text, it will be opening in other page. Hyperlink is there now. Same like that, hypertext is there. Means when you click on the text, it will be opening in the other page or giving us the detailed information of that particular topic. That is called as hypertext. So this web browser is helping us to connect to the internet that contain the information in the form of hypertext. It is also helping us to jump from one website to the other website using link. Now, what does this mean? Now you have opened, suppose on your mobile phone, everybody is having Google Chrome, right? So in Google Chrome, if you are typing google.com is there, right? If you're opening that Google website and you are searching for any particular topic, or in the beginning we were searching how to download QBasic. So if you're typing there QB64 children, after that you were getting number of options there, number of links. So what we were doing? We were just clicking on the link, right? So when you click on that link, you were directly shifting from one place to the other place, right? So that link will be opened there. So jumping from one website to the other means what? When I click on that particular link, I will be switched over to that particular link and the information will be opened in that particular web page. Okay. So this is all done with the help of web browser. Now, it can also display a web page if the address is typed in the web browser address bar. So, how do you open any website? You go in the web browser and you type there, right? And when you type, it is going to open that particular address, whatever you have typed in the address bar. Now, there are some web browsers which are mentioned in your textbook. The first one is Internet Explorer. Now this browser is coming with the help of, means bundled with, means when you install Microsoft Windows operating system on your computer, with that you get Internet Explorer by default. And as each and every computer, means most of the people are using Microsoft Windows operating system on their laptop or computer, this comes by default with it. So hence it is most popular one. And on mobile phone, we are using Google Chrome, right? Depending on the particular mobile handset or operating system of that. But majority of us are using nowadays Google Chrome. Next is Netscape Navigator. Now, it is one of the original web browser which was introduced in 1994. So for name the following and all, you should know these terms, children. Which browser was introduced in 1994? So the answer is Netscape Navigator. Next browser is Firefox. It is also called as Mozilla Firefox. As the name is given Firefox, so you can see here, Fox is shown here in the symbol. So this is the icon of your globe and fire like is shown here, and this is your fox. So Firefox is a browser which is derived from Mozilla. So Mozilla Firefox is also said. It has grown to be the second most popular browser on the internet. Next one is Safari. Now, Safari is also a type of a web browser and it is developed by Apple company. Okay. So those who are using Apple company, Apple mobile phone, iPhones and all, in that they will be having a web browser called as Safari. It is also included in the macOS operating system. macOS operating system we have learned in first lesson, right? So in that operating system also, this web browser is included. Next browser is Opera. It is also called as Opera Mini. So Opera is the faster than most other browsers. It is considered as a faster browser than other browsers. In mobile phone also we can install this Opera Mini. Okay. Next browser is Linux. Linux means you might be remembering our Linux operating system. In the first lesson, we have studied different types of operating system, right? So one of them was Linux. So Linux is a browser which is going to be executed on your Linux and Unix operating system. So all those who are using Unix operating system, they prefer this web browser. The last one is your Google Chrome. It is also referred as Chrome or Google Chrome. Nowadays, this has become more popular because in most of the mobile phone, Chrome browser is installed. So if you see your mobile phone, you will get this. And all these logos I am trying to show you. So with the help of logo, you will come to know which type of operating system it is. So Chrome is a web browser which is developed by Google, which is faster, safer, and easier to use than other browsers. See all these facilities, whatever are provided by Chrome. It is faster, it is safe also, and it is easy to use. Means it is not at all complicated or difficult to understand how to use it. The next thing is web page. Now, what is a web page? A web page is a document which is written in hypertext markup language, that is HTML. In 7th standard, you have learned HTML programming language, right? So we have seen with the help of HTML, we have created different web pages, right? So a web page is what? It is nothing but a document which is written in hypertext markup language. And there is an extension also of that HTML, that is XHTML, extensible HTML. Now web pages can be accessed and transported using the hypertext transfer protocol, that is HTTP. This protocol we have studied earlier, right? So whenever you open any web page on the web browser, you might have noticed, children, we always type there www, right? And when we hit the enter key, you will notice afterwards there we are getting the word HTTP. So that is hypertext markup language, right? So HTML is going to be using hypertext markup language, and it is going to access or transport all the web pages with the help of HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol. Or the advanced version of HTTP is HTTPS, that is hypertext transfer protocol secure. This secure word is only telling us that it is going to provide security and privacy for the use of the web page content. Means your content, your web page content will not be seen to everybody. So that option or that facility it will be providing, it will give you some security as well as there will be some privacy for your web pages. A web page may have a hyperlink to another website. So when you open any web page, when you click on it, it is going to hyperlink to another website. Next is a website. So Google is what? Google is a website. Now when I'm saying website, what do I mean by that? A website is a collection of various interrelated pages written in HTML. Means when I will write Suppose I'm giving you written work of one particular lesson. In that, you are writing the written work in your notebook, and not on one page, you are writing on number of pages, and that all pages together will be considered as the notes of that particular topic. So same way, I will keep on creating number of web pages, and then I will make a one home page where I will be linking all the pages there. With the help of hyperlink, it will be linked. So website is a collection of various interrelated pages written in HTML. Each page available on the website is called a web page. So whenever you open a website, each page, there will be a number of links, right? And whenever you click on that page, that each page will be called or will be referred as a web page. And when you open any website for the first time, the page will be displayed. That page is called as the first page or home page of that particular website. So when you type any web address and you open any website, the first page which is displayed to you is called as the home page of that particular website. Now, there are some advantages of websites also. What are the advantages? First advantage, it is 24-hour global presence. Means what, children? The internet can be accessed anytime during the day or night. 24 hours means day and night both are included. So anytime you can open the internet and you can access it. It is not having a limitation that you can access internet only in the daytime or only at the night time. No such restrictions. So it is available for 24 hours. So we can access internet at any time. We can browse a website at our own convenient time. Even online business operations can be performed. Even I can transfer the money, online money, with the help of this uh, internet, right? So it is available for 24 hours. Second advantage is increased customer base. Now, what is mean by increased customer base, children? Around 2 billion people are there, more than that, across the world, who have access to the internet. Then advertisements are there, promotions are there, online business, then through a website, right? Through a website, and can have a bigger customer base. So whenever you open any website nowadays, even in Google page, you open any Google page and you are searching for any information for any project or like that, you will notice number of advertisements on your web page, right? Someone is taking bank loan is there, or Flipkart, Amazon, whatever number of websites will be there. Online transactions, whatever you're doing. Suppose you have installed on your mobile phone Amazon or Flipkart, and you were searching for one particular dress. What you will notice after that, when you open the website, Google Chrome, to search any information, you will notice the dress which you have seen, similar type of dress will be displayed there in the corner, and they will tell you, means they will just keep on every now and then showing you the ad of that Amazon and telling you that this is there in your cart, or you would like to see these all or related dresses. So it keeps on giving us the notification of on our website. So because of this, there is a increase in their customer. Then tremendous cost saving. Now you might be thinking, Miss, how cost saving is there done on using website? The reason is, children, as internet is the cheapest mode of communication for today, if internet is not there or network is not there, you will notice that you cannot access anything on your mobile phone. You cannot see anything, right? So it has become a part of our daily life now. And it is cheap also. A website is a low cost but an effective way to market your business. Now, for example, if I am having a shop, let us say of dresses or toys, if I want that people should come to my shop, right? So I can show, or on the internet, I can give attractive offers, right? And I can do online business also. Why online business is cost saving, children? Because if I am going to have a shop, big shop, posh shop, then I have to maintain all the things, like I have to keep the people, servants there, right? Who will look after my shop, cleaning and all. Then I have to pay electricity bill. So all this maintenance is there. Suppose if any month or due to lockdown, there was no customer, I will be in loss. I have to pay to the people, those who are working in my shop. But instead of that, if I'm doing online business and on the website, I'm going to display my all products, I need not have to worry about the electricity or the maintenance of my shop or the cleanliness of my shop, or not even the payment of the people, right? So my so much of money is saved in this online thing, right? So website is providing us all these different types of advantages. First is 24-hour service it is giving us. Then because of website and internet, there is increased customer base and tremendous cost saving. Now I will unmute you all. So I'm trying to show you. Now I have opened now Google Chrome. Okay. Now this is called as address bar. This is my address bar. And this is also a search bar. When I opened Google Chrome, the page which is displayed to me. So this page is called as home page. What it is called as, children? Home page, or the first page of your website. Now this is the address bar. See here, I am typing here uh, google.com I have written here. Okay. Now you just see I have written here google.com. And when I press enter key, Google page is open to me, right? Same thing. Suppose uh, what I will open, which other website? Just give me any name of a particular website, right? I'm getting a hand symbol. So what does this indicate? That it is a hyperlink. And when I click on it, it will be open. Now this, Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a website, right? This is, what is a web portal? Lifefree.com. Even this is a website. Now suppose I am doing right click and I am going to open it. Open in new window. So here you can notice, okay, it is opened. Now this is a web portal and it is going to give me information. And this is the web address, right? So here you can notice this is the home page of this particular website. And this website is made up of different web pages. So product is one type of a page which is hyperlinked here. Solution is there, resources is there. So many web pages are hyperlinked. Suppose I am taking here digital transformation. What does that mean? So I have clicked it. So it is going to give me information. So that particular thing is opened here. Okay. And here the protocol which is going to help me to browse, that is your HTTP. Okay. That protocol. So website, how it is open. Now suppose I am typing here google.co.in. What does in means? In is for what?
India.
In means India. So now I have opened google.com. So when I open Google, you can notice here, Google is a web portal also. Now what is mean by web portal? This is the next topic. It is a website that is going to present information from different sources and makes them available in a unified way. For example, Google is providing me here. Google is also called as a search engine, right? So I can type here some information, like I have typed here cloud computing. Okay, I have typed here cloud computing and I am getting the information displayed here. So you can notice on one page, I am getting the information of a news, images, books, videos, and more options like I can do shopping, flight, and finance, as well as maps. So all this is available under one particular website, that is Google. So such type of a website is called as a web portal. Okay. So Google is also called as a web portal. Now here I am typing I Google. I have typed here I Google. Okay. So I Google is a web portal. Now I am clicking on this I Google portal. So see here, it is going to give me information of atmosphere also, then news also, right? So like this, if I'm going to do your personal start page. So like this, all information is available and this iGoogle is a web portal. So it was developed by Google only, right? And you can get so many options. So see, it was launched in 19 May 2005. Who is the owner? Google. So all this information you will get in Wikipedia, right? So today we are going to stop here because I have not made any presentation on web portal. I want to show some images also. So we will stop here today. Any doubt?